Beautiful mid-century modern home in the historic district of town. Huge bedrooms and windows, large office, laundry room and 2 master bedrooms downstairs. Craft area, bonus room, and bedrooms upstairs. This 3,503 square feet appraised and pre-inspected home has refinished hardwoods, LVP flooring and $150,000 spent in renovations within the last 2 years. Updated kitchen and bathrooms. Walls were removed to create an open floor plan. Jaccuzi freestanding tub in the first master bedroom. Brand new salt water lighted pool with landscaping and low maintenance lime washed brick exterior. New roof, driveway, 5-ton main HVAC, supplemental mini split systems in 3 bedrooms with separate thermostats and new paint throughout. Huge 1.38 acre triple lot that backs up to new Greenway trail that goes from Swan Lake to Dillion Park.